Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making this little video this morning and it's to demonstrate one of the things we have on our Etsy shop, and it's this. Now this is a beater and a rattle combined. So you've got the rattle at this end obviously, and then you've got a drum beater at this end. So you can play the drum and rattle at the same time. So I've got this beautiful horse skin drum here which I'm going to demonstrate this with. So basically, the principle is, the closer you hold the beater to the beater end, the more rattle you'll have, and the closer you hold to the rattle end, the less rattle you'll have. Okay, so let's have a little play. I'm going to start probably with the most rattle. Okay, well, I hope that helps, that little demonstration, for you to be able to discern whether this is something that you'd like to add to your shamanic toolkit. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.